From movie to TV. Grabe, magkakaroon na nga ng series ang box office hit at isa sa most awarded 2024 MMFF entry na The Kingdom. Mga kapatid, magbabalik dito ang award-winning cast at mas palalawakin pa nila ang mundo ng kaharian ng kalayaan. Narito po ang report.
Nagbago ng lahat. Nakuha ko ng kabayarang hanap ko.
Ang isa sa most awarded at box office hits ng 50th Metro Manila Film Festival, mapapanood na sa telebisyon.
Yan ang dapat sa isang lakambino.
Bubuksan na muli ang mundo sa kwento ng kaharian ng kalayaan sa The Kingdom, Magkabilang Mundo. 1 year in the making ang premyadong serye na ito at sinimulan agad ng APT Entertainment at Media Quest ang world building ng The Kingdom, Magkabilang Mundo. Pangmalakasan ng cast at nagbabalik sina Piolo Pascual bilang si Sulo, Christine Reyes bilang si Matinyas, at Sue Ramirez bilang si Lakambini, luwalhati. Ngayon nga, 1 week and counting ng numero 1 sa Netflix, ang The Kingdom movie.
I'm just really excited because now we're able to remind the viewers about the story, and now we're getting more people to watch it, especially the ones that weren't able to catch it in the cinemas. And we're excited because finally, mag-start na yung series. So I really blocked off certain months for this series, for this show, because I promised Direct Mike and I said yes to him early on pa lang.
At ang maghahasik ng gulo sa bagong kwento, sina Raisa Sinon bilang si Mayari at Derek Ramsey bilang si Raha Siam.
It's been 6 years. I was focused on family. I was focused on my next chapter. Never thought. There have been attempts, so many, and I've declined. I've turned away projects.
What brought you back to this chapter and open it again?
Well, when Direk approached me, and he's been a good friend, and TV5 has been so good to me. I was like, Direk, I'm retired. But then when I saw he was serious, I was like, okay. And then certain things happened in my life which I never thought would happen. I was like, maybe this is a sign that, to get my mind off things. And
Ang setting ng serye ay magaganap 1 taon matapos ang pagpanaw nila Kan Magkisig, played by Vic Soto. Babalik din ang award-winning team with head writer Michelle Ngunario, MMFF Best Production Designer Nestor Abrujena, at MMFF Best Director Mike Tuviera.
There's a lot more about our culture, lalo na yung pre-colonial culture, yung mga detalye na hindi namin nailagay dun sa pelikula. So you will learn so much more, lalo na yung mga babaylan and how you become punong babaylan, yung politics. Iba-iba. Yung kultura na the movie was just a glimpse.
Kasama pa rin sa cast na Ruby Ruiz bilang si Silay, Attorney Nico Antonio bilang si Tarek, Bombi Plata bilang si Uma Locohan, Art Acuña bilang General Carpio, at MQuest artist Zion Cruz bilang si Felipe. Abangan ang The Kingdom, Magkabilang Mundo, ngayong summer.